Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're asked for what value of n is the absolute value of n minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So just writing this out right here, we have n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. And before we worry about actually solving using the absolute value, let's just get it on its own. So we have the absolute value is equal to everything else. So in this problem, all we have to do is subtract 1 from both sides, because these will cancel, and we get the absolute value of n minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1 is equal to negative 1. And before we go and solve this, we have to realize something. The absolute value of something is equal to a negative number. Now, it doesn't matter what you put in here. It doesn't matter any value of n, minus 1, doesn't matter. Any number that comes out in here, its absolute value is always going to be 0 or greater than 0. It can never equal negative 1. So for what value is n minus 1 and the absolute value plus 1 equal to 0, there is no such value of n.